Jason Hubbard here, Loyalty Home Group, broker by eXp Realty. I'm outside here at one of my recent closings here in Santan Valley, and I just wanted to give you a little story of what we went through on this property. These buyers moved into this house here from out of state 4 months back. We bought this property, got the price down to $380,000. It was listed at $400,000 at that time. We were able to get the price down to $380,000 plus get them concessions and get them into this remodeled house. Turn the clock 4 months later, and I get a phone call from my clients, wonderful young couple, and they were right. They were like, Jason, you know what? You were right. Here we are 4 months later, and we're having a baby. We're pregnant. Okay. So here's our problem. One of my goals is always to find out what the problem is and try to find a solution for that problem. Here's the problem. We're 4 months pregnant. We want to get back to our home state, back to our family, so we can raise our child with our siblings and their family. So the problem is we just purchased 4 months ago. We're gonna probably lose some money, but we need you to sell our house and get us the max amount of money in the quickest amount of time. So I put the house on the market in coming soon status. We market this thing very aggressively, and lo and behold, before we even get to active status, I've got us under contract for almost full price with a cash buyer. That cash buyer is also going to give us some concessions back, and everybody wins in this scenario. We're able to get our clients exactly what they want within a couple weeks. We have a fast closing, and everybody wins. We don't have to worry about appraisal. We don't have to worry about loan contingencies because we have a cash offer from an investor. Almost at full price. So everybody wins in this scenario. I just wanted to share it with you. When we're able to build that relationship with you and find out what your problem is and bring you a solution to the table super quickly, everybody wins, and you can get that with experienced agents. Which is what we have here at Loyalty Home Group. Anyways, let's take a walk inside and see what the property showed like. It was recently remodeled, and beautiful home.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last.
Again, Jason Hubbard here, Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Just wanted to give you a little sample of what we do for our clients and how serious we take our commitment to them during our time period with them. If you find these videos interesting, if you like the information that you're getting, please subscribe, please hit the like, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you can follow and get more information on more of our videos. All right, thank you. Have a good day.